joining us for this next adventure at Bowen, North Queensland. Brisbane to Bowen is just under a 13-hour drive. Airlie Beach to Bowen is a little over an hour's drive. Mackay to Bowen is just under a 2.5-hour drive. Bowen is known for its mangoes, and that's exactly where the Kensington Pride mango originated from. It is one of Australia's most popular mangoes, accounting for over 80% of the country's annual commercial mango market. Yummo! Together we will explore North Queensland's oldest town, Bowen. We'll take a drive to the Marina and then up to the lookout on Flagstaff Hill, which has amazing views of the Whitsunday Islands. Join us on our bike ride to Horseshoe Bay and take a stroll through the markets with us. But first of all, let's check out Bowen Beachfront Holiday Park, where we stayed and our adventure started. And there's the Caravan Park.
The destination is on your left. NRMA Bowen Beachfront Holiday Park. Arrived.
Here we are, Bowen Beachfront Holiday Park.
Park away from the gate while checking in.
Okay. Great. Alright, so the sign said please park away from the gate while checking in. We didn't realise that. But you can see the gorgeous view we've got. Blue sky, blue ocean. So this looks like a nice small caravan park, which is lovely. We love our small caravan parks. Well, we'd have to be pretty happy with our site. This is our view, and it's only a short walk to the waterfront. Well, this is our site, and this is the gate that goes through the park, and we're going to the markets this morning. So that's a nice, easy way to get to the markets, isn't it? Really nice, secure caravan park. And this is how close the view is again. And the beach. Mark's locking the gate. We've got our own key.
Beautiful.
Certainly is. This breeder has certainly won some awards over the years. These baby lorikeets are just out of the nest and 3 weeks old. Would you look at this cute as anything baby lorikeet?
We've sold out of all our caramel tarts and vanilla cupcakes for the first hour. So we've got 2 different flavours for the macarons. You've got vanilla and caramel.
Look at your brownies. You love brownies.
Yeah.
They're really nice. Here we are down on the river. We're going to have a fish.
I like the look of this. Of course, it's got some sand out there. There's a couple of deep holes here, some flowing water. So we might actually get some bream or something there.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Well, fingers crossed. Oh, you've got to grow up, little fella.
But if there's little ones here, there might be some big ones.
That would be nice. Not much bigger. We're getting a few, but no cases yet.
Here's JJ. She's got the fish of the day so far. Nice little white bream.
Not quite the fish of the day.
So she has some fun.
Oh yeah, first fish. There you go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Oh well, we've got to throw that one back.
Yeah.
What's that one?
The black bream. So they're getting a bit bigger, so that's a black bream.
Yeah.
I did lose one before, and this is interesting because I got caught up in a snag after I caught a fish. And I'd say, here it is, just come out of his mouth.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
So yeah, he got me around a snag last time.
Huh.
Gotcha, finally. But yeah, there's some of these black bream in there. Hopefully there'll be some bigger ones.
So that's a dark fish, is it?
Yeah, I think so. But, I'm going to look at all my books when I get home, but there's a bit of everything in here.
There is.
Tide's going out.
Decided a little mud crab, baby one. He'll have to grow up to become a bigger one. Boy, I tell you, did I get absolutely, totally smashed by sandfly bites. They really got me big time, and the only thing that helped with the itch was rubbing them with ice, and I was doing that maybe 3-4 times a night, let alone the day, until I got through it. Gee, they got me big time. Well, this is a really nice little drive around town. Just having a look at where the boats are moored. The beauty.
Old Dodge truck.
Yeah, it looks like the old bread vans almost. Well, we're at Caravan Seafoods, fresh prawns and cooked daily. They're open to the public and we're going to go in and check it out. Mark's checking out the crab nets, or the crab pots. Yeah, they're nice and big, aren't they? Lots of different kinds of prawns.
Yep.
See what we come home with. Maybe some nice fresh prawns, some oysters.
We've just been to the fresh seafood markets because this is a renowned prawning destination, fishing destination. A lot of the prawns that go all over Eastern Australia come out of Bowen. And there's so many varieties of prawns there, it's ridiculous. So we got some prawns, and we got some fresh calamari, and we left all the fish alone because we've got a freezer full of fish.
Man, we don't need any more fish. I never thought I'd say that in a million years. We don't need any more fish.
But that's good if we do catch more fish, otherwise we'll have to buy another freezer.
There you go.
So Jeanette and I have just got onto Horseshoe Beach for a bit of a ride, the mountain bikes. Way down in the distance there's some kite surfers, so we'll go down and check them out. And yeah, the sand is nice and firm, the tide's still on its way out, so should be an easy ride. I think we can go about 2.5 k's, I reckon, at low tide here, right out the end of the sand spit. So we'll go all the way down and have a look. And this guy out here is pretty cool. Look at this guy out here now, how fast he's going. And into the sand again. Here comes my girl. I was checking out the fishing holes, the sandbanks, the tides. A lot of red in the shells here, isn't there? Yeah, nice.
Lovely. That's where I skidded.
Okay. Left your mark. Nice gardens, well maintained, watered. Not all but it's low tide. These are the boulders down at the end of Horseshoe Bay. And right down that point in the far distance down there, as far as you can see, you see where the tree line stops and the sand is still going. That's where we rode yesterday.
Horseshoe Bay lies on the northeastern tip of Cape Edgecombe. The whole cape is composed of rounded granite rocks.
They're just huge. You can see a couple in here amongst the trees. Actually pulled up a bit sore since yesterday. She won't change your gears, she'll push up the hill. It's amazing how all these boulders are right down on the beach. and a boat ramp, which I didn't know existed. So here you go. Howdy, howdy.
The granite rock is formed over millions of years from hot molten magma. The magma is forced between other layers of the rock by the pressure under the Earth's surface. The magma cools and slowly turns into the solid rock that you see here. We're just coming into Horseshoe Bay Resort. We did try and get into this caravan park, but it was completely booked out. But Mark and I really love where we are. Hideaway Bay Beach is truly a hidden gem and definitely worth a visit. The lovely sandy beach stretches over 1.5 kilometres. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you love what we do, hit the subscribe button so we can get to know you better, and we look forward to seeing you next time.